Hey, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So I just want to go over this real quick. So there's a couple things to kind of go over just to make sure your settings are correct, okay? So here I see that you don't have this set to live, which is just fine if you're in test mode. The one thing you just need to make sure is if you are not live, the API key here, the client ID and the client secret here, you just need to make sure that they are correct so that you're getting the API from the sandbox side, right? So you may know this. I'm just going over this. So we're going over the basics here, right? And then when this is actually toggled to live, I'm just going to keep that off for a minute, but when it's actually toggled to live, the API or the client ID and secret are selected from the live section. Okay, so that keeps the two very separate. All right. So we have to make sure first that needs to be confirmed, and then from there, I'm going to give you some instruction in the email here on steps to take. So if you have this situated and that is correct, the next thing I'm going to have you do is go through a number of steps to kind of um, clear the data that might be interrupting or clouding the process of the payment. Okay, so we'll go through that. And I just wanted to make sure you had a clear understanding of the difference between Sandbox needs an API, and then Live has its own API, right? Client ID and client secret. Okay. All right. I'll go ahead and send this out to you.